In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to install Brave browser on your Windows device. First of all, click on Windows Start menu, then search here Microsoft Store. Now open Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store search bar, search Brave, press enter. At the left hand side, here as you see Brave browser, just click on it. Now to install Brave browser on your Windows device, just click on install. It will take few time to download and install on your computer. Wait for downloading. Here as you see, Brave browser installed complete. Now I will close this window and again click on Windows Start menu. Then search here Brave. Here is Brave browser. To open this browser, just click on it. Now you can use Brave browser on your Windows device. You can also pin Brave browser on your taskbar. Just right click on Brave icon. Now click on pin to taskbar. In this way, you can install Brave browser on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.